Good day, Mom and Sir. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself in your family. I hope that you are in a good condition while watching my video. I am Davy Mota. I am 34 years old, high school graduate. I am single mother of 2 children, 12 years old and 5 years old. I am youngest in the family. I have work experience in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 9 months. 7 members of the family, 2 adults and 5 children. When I started to work from them, they are 11 years old, 9 years old, 8 years old, 6 years old, and 3 years old. My main duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, washing the clothes, playing with them, and send them in the school.
How many helpers in your employer's house?
We are 2 helpers.
Do you have any experience in taking care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am, and my own children, by changing diaper, changing clothes, and preparing buttered milk.
How about children? Do you have any work experience on taking care of them?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the children are naughty? What are you going to do?
I will be patient and I will treat them like my own children.
Are you capable enough in tutoring children?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Like counting, drawing, storytelling, and playing with them.
Are you also willing to take care of an invalid or elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
What if you will feel homesick? What are you going to do?
I will make myself busy, and if I have time, I will play with the children.
What if your employer is strict and demanding? What are you going to do?
I will follow the rules and regulations.
If you have misunderstanding with your employer, what are you going to do?
I will be polite, and I will say sorry. I will not do it the same mistake again.
Do you mind your holiday will not be scheduled on Saturday or Sunday?
I don't mind. It depends on my employer's schedule.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To support my family and my children.
Can you promise your future employer to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you give us a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
So what is your message to your future employer?
Hi, Mom and Sir. If you give me a chance to work for your family, I will promise I will finish my 2 years contract and I will renew as long as you like me. I will treat your family as my family too. Thank you so much and I hope to see you soon.